Hi guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to create a post in Bereal. First of all, open Bereal in your phone, and to be able to create a post there, you need to sign up or sign in. First things first, you need to put your name, then insert your birthday, then continue. And the next step is to put your phone number there, because they're going to send you a verification code to be able to use the application. And once you receive the verification code, which is the one-time PIN, you need to enter it there, and that's it. You're already signed in. And for this one, you can actually skip this one, or you can add one of your friends, or if you know someone else who's using Bereal, you can add them there. And let's proceed to how to create a post in Bereal. So for this one, you are allowed to capture something using your phone. So once you capture it, it will automatically capture also the view of your front camera. So as you notice, there will be a tube. So once you're done capturing, so there will be an option there that says send. Add some caption there, and that's it. So I hope you learned something new today and help you. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you again next time.